down.
Kyrios.
We want
Justice, justice.
তুমি কে আমি কে
বাঙালি, বাঙালি। জয় বাংলা।
জয় বঙ্গবন্ধু।
জয় বঙ্গবন্ধু।
Step down, step down.
Kyrios, Kyrios.
Step down, step down.
Kyrios, Kyrios.
Step down, step down.
Kyrios, Kyrios.
We want
Justice, justice.
we want
শেখ হাসিনা, শেখ হাসিনা।
বন্ধু তুমি কে আমি কে
বাঙালি, বাঙালি।
Are we coming from Bangladesh for support for Bangladesh? We want justice. We are happy is Bangladesh is now is everybody. A lot of people is killing people and nobody is security over there. So is very bad in Bangladesh right now. No and house. Lot of people is killing now every day, every morning, every night, every second.
Dr. Yunus is illegal and illegitimate person to take over the power by the terrorist, with the help of the terrorist. According to our constitution, Sheikh Hasina still the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. They remove with the terrorist, but next time we want election, again people will elect Sheikh Hasina.
Since August 5th, unconstitutionally, Dr. Muhammad Yunus, who representing terrorist group of Bangladesh, since that our minority group in Bangladesh, especially Hindus, has been affected and has been killed. Their mandir has been destroyed, Gizra has been destroyed, lot of masjid has been destroyed because his terrorist group doesn't believe in a secular democracy. So we want the fair justice because they are making the drama with the false statement to the world leaders. So we want fair justification, especially Donald Trump and Narendra Modi is here, and we want their attention to take the fair justice so people can practice their democratic rights, especially Awami League.
We want
শেখ হাসিনা, শেখ হাসিনা।
we want
শেখ হাসিনা, শেখ হাসিনা।
step down, step down.
Yunus, Yunus.
Step down, step down.
Yunus, Yunus.
জয় বাংলা
জয় বাংলা।
জয় বঙ্গবন্ধু
জয় বঙ্গবন্ধু।
তুমি কে আমি কে
বাঙালি, বাঙালি।
তুমি কে আমি কে
বাঙালি, বাঙালি।
তুমি কে আমি কে
বাঙালি, বাঙালি।
Father of terrorists,
Yunus, Yunus.
father of terrorists,
Yunus, Yunus.
minority killer,
Yunus, Yunus.
Hindu killer,
Yunus, Yunus.
father of
Yunus,
Hindu killer,
Yunus, Yunus.
Hindus killer,
Yunus,